Okay, this is Marty from Dinner with Dad, and we went to Bad Daddy's Burgers because we were still looking for the best burger in Middle Tennessee. Well, the gauntlet's been dropped, and these guys, Jack Brown's Beer and Burger Joint, said that they have the best burgers in town. So we are going to go inside and find out if they do have the best burgers in town. Come with me.
So as soon as you get there, it's just this little dive-looking place in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. I mean, it's got a great feel, like a little bar feel in a square downtown. You walk inside, and it's just got that really cool bar feel. There's stuff all over the walls. I mean, there's stuff to look at. This is Friday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I mean, it was packed. So, I mean, it's always busy. Here's your menu. I'm always going to go with the Classic Jack. It's one of my favorites. And you get the beers, and you can get them in bottles or cans and off draft. Like I said, it's just got a really cool vibe and a really cool feel. But we were here for the burgers, so we ordered our burgers. I got the Classic Jack. My wife got the special, which was avocado, Monterey Jack cheese, and sriracha mayonnaise. These fries are kick-ass fries. I love these fries. Here's my burger. Looks fantastic. It was delicious. That is a big key too. That sauce is amazing. So you got to come try Jack Brown's. Right now they are winning the battle